Headlights blur tears on the glass, engine coughs and dies. Stranded queen in a steel chariot, storm rages in the skies. Raindrops strum a frantic beat, mascara paints her cheek. Soaking wet, fighting the flat, city lights a million leads. Cars whoosh by strangers in metal cages, cold and blind. Headlights pierce the falling veil, but leave her heart behind. Then a shadow in the deluge, umbrella battles win. A lone warrior, defying rain, leaving indifference behind. His shelter surrenders, ripped by the gale's might, but his steps keep marching, drawn by a beacon, a flicker of light. Eyes meet, a spark ignites, a connection forged in the storm. Two souls adrift, finding solace in a moment warm. Love in the rain, where compassion explodes. Rough hands, calloused heart, changing destiny's road. Tears and raindrops, a thunder ignite, a fire of the soul. Fear washed away beneath the weeping sky, heart shielded the bitter cold. Hop in, he offers a haven from the downpour's wrath, but his eyes hold stories of nights spent on a lonely path. No, she whispers, come with me, escape the city's din. Let me offer warmth, a cup of kindness, let you back in. Through puddles and whispers, they chase the fading light. Two souls entwined, defying the darkness, holding tight. The city shrinks, the grid fades, the rhythm of rain remains. A melody of hope, a chorus sung, washing away the pain. Love in the rain, where compassion explodes. Rough hands, calloused heart, changing destiny's road. Tears and raindrops of thunder ignite the fire of the soul. Fear washed away beneath the weeping sky, heart shielded the bitter cold. Oh, oh. Cabin nestled in the woods, firelight paints the scene. Coffee's aroma fills the air, a silent dream serene. He watches her, rain-kissed beauty, a sight for weary eyes. In the quiet crackle, a promise whispered beneath the starlit skies. Love in the rain, where compassion explodes. Rough hands, calloused heart, changing destiny's road. Tears and raindrops of thunder ignite the fire of the soul. Fear washed away beneath the weeping sky, heart shielded the bitter cold. Oh, oh. Embraced by the fire's glow, two spirits intertwined. Storms weathered, love discovered, forever redefined. Off the grid their hearts align, a solace they both belong. In the rhythm of rain, their love story forever everlast. Love in the rain, where compassion explodes. Rough hands, calloused heart, changing destiny's road. Tears and raindrops, the thunder ignite the fire of the souls. Fear washed away beneath the weeping sky, heart shielded the bitter cold.